Hello everyone, today we are going to break down the number 2645 using the prime factorization using division method. So let's go step by step and uncover the prime building blocks hiding inside. So 2645, if we divisible by with the smallest prime number, that is 2, it's not possible because it's an odd number. And when we'll check with 3, the sum of digits gives 17. So that's not divisible by 3. So now with next prime number, that is 5. So yes, it is divisible by 5 because it ends with by 5. So this gives us 529. Now 529 is the square of 23. So it cannot divisible by with any number other than 23. So we'll go with 23. This gives us 23. And 23 divided by 23 is 1. So the prime factorization of 2645 is 5 times 23 times 23, or in terms of exponent, 5 times 23 square. So isn't it amazing how numbers hide patterns like that? So drop a number in the comments for me to factor next. So like, share and subscribe for more easy math 1 videos.